Boom, rocks in the room. In my 20 plus years of representing real estate sales, managing expectations and defending my clients' equity, I've seen plenty that should just be common sense. As the creator of Real Estate Without Agents, my mission is simple: teach homeowners of the information age what they wish they'd known before they need to know it, preferably before they call someone like me if they even need to. So I'm launching a short series, My Humble but Highly Accurate Opinion. Here's today's installment. If you're told to take professional photos and stage your home, well, good, do that. Present it in its best light. But don't augment reality. Don't Photoshop the truth. There's something really off about emerald green grass in February. I recently saw a listing that disclosed at least the carpet in the bedrooms had been digitally enhanced. I'm seeing more and more every day. In a world where nobody can tell what's filtered, staged, or AI anymore, the last thing you want is a buyer walking in with obvious disappointment and saying, "It looks so much better in the pictures." I've heard that phrase hundreds of times, and that phrase kills your momentum. Here's an ideal operating principle: underpromise, overdeliver. If your carpet's been ridden hard and put up wet with a couple coffee stains that don't quite match the decor, say so. If the paint in a couple rooms still remembers your kids' crayons, say so. When expectations are managed properly, something powerful happens. Buyers walk in prepared. Instead of disappointment, you get relief. You know what? It's not as bad as I expected. The energy shifts, negotiations soften, and trust builds. Trust takes a lifetime to build and only a moment to lose. This isn't about downplaying your home. It's about telling the truth and letting reality exceed expectation. Accurate marketing creates confident buyers, and confident buyers make more and better offers. Portray a true image. Tell the truth. Build trust before they cross the threshold. That's my humble but highly accurate opinion. Blessings on you and your house. Make it a great day.